Hello friends, welcome to Think4E. In this Photoshop CC 2021 version tutorial, I will show you how to remove a background from a photo. This is an updated tutorial I did few months ago. This update is quicker. But before we begin, if you're not yet a subscriber to Think4E channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification button to let you know as soon as I upload a Photoshop tutorial, and also join our WhatsApp group. I have provided a link to photos I'm using in this project. Feel free to use any photo you want. As you can see, I have already imported my photos. In this project we are going to use two different methods. The first method is the use of Refine Edge method. The second method is the use of Select and Mask method. Method 1, Refine Edge. To remove the background in any version of Photoshop, you need to separate your subject from its background by making a selection around your subject. There are many ways you can do this in Photoshop, but for this project I will use the Quick Selection tool. If you are using the same tool, I recommend the size of 12 pixel, hardness 100%, and spacing 25%. Drag the tool over the inside of your subject. Note, I'm using the latest version of Photoshop. To refine the edge, click on Select. To use the Refine Edge method in this latest version, press and hold Shift on your keyboard, and then click on Select and Mask. Check the Smart Radius, and change the view to No Layer. Now start painting around the wisp hair as shown. When you're done, change the output to New Layer, and then press OK. We are done with the first method. The second method is to use the Select and Mask method. Note, this method is only compatible with the latest versions of Photoshop. The first step is to separate the subject from its background by making a selection around your subject. Select the Quick Selection tool, but in this method we're not going to drag our tool over the inside of our subject. Instead, click on Select Subject, and wait for it to finish selecting. When you're done, click on Select and Mask. Set the transparency to 100%, check the Smart Radius, select your Smart Radius brush tool. Set the output to New Layer, then start painting around the wisp hair. When you are done, click OK. If you like this video, then subscribe to this channel, and remember to check out the other videos.